Hello, students. Welcome to your asynchronous day. Please make sure that you go to Google Classroom to find your assignment. So let me just show you what the assignment for today consists of. So basically, you're gonna have a warm up, some time to process the activity, and you'll have an exit slip. For the warm up, the only thing I want you to do is using a sentence, I want you to describe yourself as a student. Let me just give you an example. When you're describing yourself as a student, I want you to tell me the qualities that make you the student that you are. So, for example, I am a responsible student that likes to try really hard in order to pass or to be successful in my classes. The next part of just make sure that on here that you're using complete sentences before I move on. I just wanted to make sure I explain that. On the next part and the processing part, really easy and quick. You're familiar with this type of activity in my class. I just want you to find a definition of these four terms. We have been talking about these terms in class, so hopefully it shouldn't be something new to you. I also want you to find a visual representation, an image of each one of the terms. You can easily insert pictures by going up here to the feature that says insert. You can go to image and you can actually search the web and look for visuals that can represent that term. Okay, once you're done with that, the last part that you're gonna do is you're gonna tell me. I'm just asking you, what are your plans for spring break? So give me at least two little things that you're planning on doing, and making sure that you're using a complete sentence to get full credit for this assignment. Okay. Don't forget to turn it in so I can grade it. This also counts as your attendance. That's all. This will be posted on Google Classroom. Have a wonderful day and a beautiful spring break.